So I'm on location in my car to talk about travel time. Isn't that cool? A couple of things. The experience that your boss has or your exec has in going to an off-site meeting will begin in the car and his travel there, and ultimately in the parking experience that he has, and it can be key to having a good experience. So some tips: when you are scheduling for a meeting that's off-site, always allot the travel time in the calendar. I like to go to MapQuest and see how long it takes to actually get to events. So for example, if event starts at 1 o'clock and it takes half an hour to get there, I allot a half an hour plus 15 minutes for traffic and parking. So you would allot 45 minutes there, and of course 45 minutes at the close of the event. Always give your exec printed directions. And you say, why? He has a GPS. But have you ever had a GPS buffer on you and you didn't know where you were going? The printed directions can come in handy if that happens for your exec. Lastly, if you don't know what the parking instructions are when they get to a venue such as a conference, call ahead and ask the conference coordinator what they are, so that you can actually put that type of information in your boss's calendar or make them aware of it before they leave, that they have a validation or they're parking at a special place at the conference. Thank you for listening to 1 Minute Assist.